this tutorial, we will show you how to update your company account information. To begin, click on the My Account tab, and then click on the Edit button. From this screen, you have the ability to update the administration contact information. You can also update the company phone number or fax number, as well as the company website. Have a company logo? You can upload it here and it will appear on your home screen. If your company address or billing address has changed, you can scroll down and update the information here as well. Enter the effective date of the update and click Save. A banner will appear across the top of the screen, confirming the company profile was updated successfully. That completes the Updating Account Information Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.